Hi everyone. So I recorded this yesterday, but today when you're watching it, it should be May 1st. So welcome to a new month. Just remember you're writing 5 instead of a 4 for the first part of your date. Okay, so to start today, I have a bunch of pictures of animals, and they are all birds, insects, and mammals, like the 3 groups we've talked about so far. So when I show you a picture, you're going to tell me if it's a bird, an insect, or a mammal. All right, let's get started. Hey, that's a mammal. Bird. Hopefully you got that one. Mammal. Mammal. Bird. Mammal. Insect. Mammal. You may have said bird, but a bat is a mammal. It has fur. It gives birth to live young. Bird. Mammal. Insect. Insect again. Bird. Insect. Mammal. Mammal. All right, we'll keep reviewing those. But today we're going to write about the bird that you created yesterday. So make sure you have your bird and also your journal. And let's get started right away. So I do have a little paragraph template. I'm going to share my screen and show you. And so in your journal, go ahead and open to a brand new page. You'll see there's just a blank line up here. That's where you're going to put the name of your bird. And then we'll put the date in the corner. We start with a 5 for May. So it's 5/1/20, May 1st of 2020. So this is what mine looks like. I put the date in the corner. And then my bird is called the red-bellied bandit. All right. You will have something different there, whatever your name is of your bird. Okay. So if you need more time, go ahead and pause. And then I'm going to keep moving. So 3, 2, 1. All right, let's look at the next part. So of course you're going to start with an indent. And then your topic sentence is the blank lives blank. So it's going to be the, and then the name of your bird, lives, and then tell me what habitat they live in. So for mine, I would write the red-bellied bandit lives in a river habitat. Okay, so I'm going to write that down. While I write it, I'll share the screen so you can write just the first sentence. Don't forget your indent. And you want to capitalize the first letter of each word in your bird's name. Right? It's their name, so it needs capital letters. If you need more time, pause it. I'm going to show you what I wrote. The red-bellied bandit lives in a river habitat. Okay. Let's take a look at the next part. Share my screen. Okay. Sorry, my kids are being really loud. The next part says it has a blank beak. This beak helps it to, all right, well mine has a spear beak. So hopefully you labeled your parts yesterday so you can look at your picture and see what kind of beak it has. So go ahead, write that sentence. It has a blank beak. And then we'll do the next part together. Okay. If you need more time, pause it. All you need is that one sentence. It has a blank beak. I'm going to move on. Okay, so the next part says this beak helps it to, and so we're going to go back to those adaptation cards. So I have the spear beak, and down here it says that the spear beak helps because it's sharp and pointy for catching fish. So I would write, this beak helps because it is sharp and pointy for catching fish. So let me say that again. And actually, start by writing, this beak helps it to, and then I'll go back to the cards and we can finish our sentences. So this beak helps it to, if you need more time, pause. I'm going to go back to the cards right now. So the spear beak helps it to catch fish because it is sharp and pointy. Yes, Ezra. So find your card and write why it helps your bird. If you need more time, go ahead and pause. And then we're going to move on in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Right, the red-bellied bandit lives in a river habitat. It has a spear beak. This beak helps it to catch fish because it is sharp and pointy. Okay, the next part is going to be the feet. Okay, let's look back at our paragraph organizer. So we're on the feet. It also has blank feet. Now remember, the type of feet should be labeled on your picture. So you can use this to help you. And go ahead and write your sentence. I'm writing, it also has wading feet. If you need more time, press pause, and I'll move on in 3, 2, 1. Okay, our next sentence is, this helps it to blank. So remember, we're still talking about the feet. So go ahead, write the start of the sentence. This helps it to... If you need more time, pause. We're going to go look at the feet cards. Here are the feet cards. So I had wading feet. Those help the bird to walk better on soft areas. And I'll write near the water, since it lives in a river habitat. Find your card, and you're going to write how those feet help your bird. So look at the adaptation. Okay, just a minute, love. All right. Okay. If you need more time, press pause, and I'll move on in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so
3, 2, 1.
So I wrote this help. Oh,
1, 2, 1.
that is just a minute, hon. I wrote, it also has wading feet. This helps it to walk better on soft areas. I meant to add by the water, but it's okay. I already put my period in, and I'm writing with pen, which I can't erase. That's the good thing about pencils. Okay, we're almost to the end. So let's go back to our paragraph organizer. And we're at finally. Finally, it has blank wings. So Phil, Ezra, I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, so we are on finally, it has blank wings. Remember to use your picture to help you. Mine has long distance wings. So I will write finally. It has long distance wings. And then once you finish that part, you can go ahead and write, this helps it to and then we'll take a look at the cards. So go ahead and pause it so you can finish writing. Finally, it has blank wings. This helps it too. And we'll move on to the cards in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Look for the wings you chose. I chose long distance wings. And I'm going to write that they help to migrate and fly very long distances. Okay, so find your card and write why those wings help your bird. Okay, pause if you need more time. And I'm going to move on in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this is what I have so far. The wings, I wrote, finally it has long distance wings. This helps it to migrate and fly very long distances. Now we just have our closing sentence. And we're just gonna end by writing the blank bird is blank. So for the first blank, you'll write the name of your bird. The second blank, you will write an adjective to describe it. I will write the red-bellied bandit bird is incredible. All right? Or, yeah, I think I'll use incredible. You can pick any adjective, right? Amazing, awesome, so cool. A unique creature. It's up to you how you want to finish it. But you can start filling in the blanks right now. And then you're done. So I'm going to close this, so pause it if you need more time. And hopefully your journal looks something like mine. If you wanted to write more, that's fine. If you followed it exactly the way I did it, that's great too. So today, you do need to submit this. I think you need to type it. Let me check what I put in the lesson plan. Okay, so you will type your paragraph under the assignment called Bird Reports. And then you will be done. That's it for the week. Have a wonderful weekend. Just a couple announcements for next week. It is career week, so I'll be telling you a little about how I became a teacher, and then I'll be showing you some different careers as well. You'll also get to pick a different careers to explore. We will also be talking about amphibians, and hopefully we'll try our first live Zoom. So I hope to see a lot of you there. I know some of you don't like Zoom or being on camera. I don't like it either, but I do really want to see your faces and talk to you. Miss Rosa will be there. Miss Natalie will be there. I know Tigran said he wants to come. So hopefully I hear from some more of you and we can schedule that. And we'll keep the first one easy. We'll just talk and catch up. You can show us your pictures, show everyone else your bird, your mammal, your insect pictures. And yeah, I really look forward to it. Yes, Ezra. I'm saying bye. Do you want to say bye?
Yeah. Bye.
All right.
See you later.
See you later.